This question is from Ha Young Park in Los Angeles. Ha Young asks, where can I find a management organization? And I think that's in reference to the advisory opinion.
I think you're right. So for anyone who works in the film and TV industry and applies for an O-1 visa, whichever union oversees your field has to look at the case and issue a letter stating they have no objection to you working in the U.S. If there is a labor management organization that oversees the field, which is almost all the time in film and TV, it's the AMPTP, the Alliance of Motion Picture and Television Producers. If you're working in film and TV, that's going to be the management organization. But also that is a step that, that we and, take care of as legal counsel and that most attorneys will handle for you. If you're applying for an O-1, it would be unusual for you to obtain your own management organization letter.